Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert an omega symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the omega symbol on your WPS spreadsheet, I just going to show in this video. So there will be two ways of inserting the omega symbol. This is one of the omega, this is one of the omega. For inserting this omega, you just need to press the insert option and just click on the equation, and here you just can find this type of omega. You can just place the cursor on it, it shows like it's at omega. So this is one of the way that you can just insert. The second way of inserting the omega symbol, you can just insert this omega from, you just need to click on the insert option first, and you just need to click on the symbol option second, and you just need to click on the mouse symbol. So in the mouse symbol, so you just need to click on the this should be changed to the French script empty. So just type as F, so you can find the lot of F text font, and here you just need to change this to the French script empty. Okay, and here to basic Latin to letter like symbol. So here you can find the omega symbol. This is the way that you can just insert omega symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.